Welcome, students. Today, we're going on an exciting journey deep beneath our feet, into the hidden layers of the Earth. Even though we walk on its surface every day, most of the planet remains completely unseen. But thanks to science, we can explore its internal structure and understand what lies thousands of kilometers below us. Our Earth is made up of three major layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. Each layer is unique in its composition, temperature, and behavior. The crust is the thin, solid outer shell where we live. It may feel thick to us, but compared to the rest of the planet, it's like the skin of an apple. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, a massive layer of hot, semi-solid rock slowly moving in currents. These movements are powerful enough to shift continents and trigger earthquakes and volcanoes. Deeper still is the core, made of two parts: the outer core, which is molten metal in constant motion, and the inner core, an extremely hot, solid sphere made mostly of iron. Even though temperatures there rival the surface of the sun, the immense pressure keeps it solid. Movements in the outer core generate Earth's magnetic field, an invisible shield that protects us from harmful solar radiation. By understanding these layers, we not only learn how our planet works, but also why natural events like earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and mountain formation occur. So, get ready as we dive beneath the surface and discover the dynamic world inside the Earth. The first layer is the crust. This is a thin outer shell of the Earth accounting for less than 1% of the Earth's volume. The crust ranges in depth from approximately 5 to 70 kilometers. It is a cold, thin, brittle outer shell made of rock. The Earth crust is very thin relative to the radius of the planet. There are two different types of crust, each with its own distinctive physical and chemical properties. They are continental crust and oceanic crust. The continental crust, CIAL, is the outermost layer of the Earth's lithosphere that makes up the planet's continents and continental shelves. It is about 65 kilometers in thickness. It is made up of mainly rocks that are light and rich in silica and aluminum minerals, hence this layer is at times known as STL. The continental crust forms nearly the Earth's entire land surface. The continental crust is broadly composed of granitic minerals with a density of about 2.7 G/3. The oceanic crust, CIMA, is the outermost layer of the Earth's lithosphere that is found under the oceans. It is formed at spreading centers on the ocean's ridges, which occur at divergent plates boundaries. The oceanic crust is thinner than continental crust, usually 5 to 10 kilometers thick. It is made up of mainly heavy rocks of silica and magnesium with an average density of 3 G/3. This layer is also known as CIMA. It is mostly composed. The crust and the upper mantle are separated by the Moho discontinuity. This is a seismic and compositional boundary. It is a zone where earthquake waves traveling the Earth suddenly change speed from 7.2 kilometers per second to 8.1 kilometers per second. This indicates that the rocks above are less dense than those below. The two layers of the crust and the rigid top part of the mantle are collectively called lithosphere. It is for this reason that the crust is at times referred to as lithosphere. Part 2 is coming where we're going to talk about mantle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.